In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and what to expect on your screen, so you can start using Copilot right away without any confusion. First, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your Windows computer. Launch it the same way you open any app on your PC. See, once the app starts, you'll see a welcome screen. Here, select the option that says Create or Sign in with a different account. This is helpful if you've used multiple Microsoft accounts before, or you simply want to make sure you're signing in with the right one. Next, type the email address that's registered with Microsoft. This could be a personal Microsoft account or a work or school account. Just use the one you want Copilot to be linked with. After entering your email, click Next. Make sure your email is typed correctly with no extra spaces, because even a small typo can prevent the next button from taking you forward. If this is your first time signing into Copilot on this specific device, the app might prompt you for your password. Go ahead and enter it to continue. That's normal, and it's there to keep your account secure. If you've already signed into this device before, you might not be asked for your password again. In that case, Copilot will take you straight to the main screen, where you can immediately start using the app for its intended purpose. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Confirm you have a stable internet connection, since the sign-in process needs to communicate with Microsoft servers. If you use more than one Microsoft account, the sign in with a different account option ensures you're choosing the correct one from the start. And if the next button doesn't respond, double-check that your email is in the correct format. Once you're signed in, you're ready to go. The process is designed to be quick. Open the app, choose the sign-in option, enter your Microsoft email, click Next, and if prompted, enter your password. After that, Copilot gets you right into the main experience, so you can begin working without delay. That's how easy and fast it is to log in to the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Copilot.